my people, matter where I bring una today. I make una borrow me English. He take me out of my space. He carry me go another space where I no even recognize. One man dey waka for road. He see one girl. Una know how these people go, they come meet person, they beg. Say, I never chop, oh, I'm hungry, oh, na so this one happen. Oh. As the girl go meet the man, say, bros, I beg, I need money to buy food. Now, so this guy, hey, good people still exist. The guy no just give am money for food. He carry am, touch am up, he baff am, he clean am up. We no understand. He carry am go boutique. Change this girl lifestyle. Change in dressing, everything. Omo, if una see who are they talk about. Hey. I bet put this girl before picture. The before they change her. See am. Now here she dey beg. Una dey see am very well. After the man touch am up, oh yeah, put the other one. He choke. As I dey talk to una now, as una dey hear my voice now, serious preparation of wedding na dey take place. And these people dey marry 29th of May, this 2021. 29th of May. He don go meeting people, ask for the hand in marriage, everything don ready. See am. Wetin be that thing when they talk say one man's meat, abi one man's food, abi one man's spaghetti is another man's poison. Na be this. No, because this girl na poison to other people. You know how many people she don't go approach, where some of them even stone her. Some of them even disrespect her, maybe slap herself, maybe send her away, maybe something. See am. This one, it shock me. Forget say you dey see me like this. I still dey inside the shock self. This guy try. No, the girl don't fine. See change. Under how many hours? Abi how many? Omo, this guy try because it takes courage for a man to even carry a lady from this kind of thing. It takes courage. It takes one thing into another thing, something into another something before this thing can be realized. Because as I see this girl her before picture, I feel even mistaken for mad person. No offense, but I feel mistaken. I feel to say, this girl not mad. If truly this man na legit, now they say don't do good thing for this girl. Seriously, because for the girl to even be like this, I dey imagine how im family go even be. If truly this man no get any skeleton inside im cupboard, because my people, no be normal thing. Person, no, the world where we dey live in now, I dey talk about now. Person no go just wake up say they marry person from that condition. But if na legit, if na from im heart, it means where. Now they say don't do it, don't try. Highest, wetin many men go do, highest. They go just as you meet them, they go count money give you. Now the highest thing where they go do, nobody go talk say, make a marry am. They no go even think am. No, I just dey hope say tomorrow we no go hear different story. Because I dey hope. Because this girl, this thing means so much for this girl. It mean well. Now this one they call from grass to grace. In fact, they just elevate her. And this thing don't teach me something. Say good people still dey outside. No, serious, good people still dey outside. Despite all the many wahala wey dey happen for all our African countries. My people, good people still dey. Just that the bad ones, they don't cover road. We don't even know when a good person they come again because of how the bad ones they come out, they do. I beg. Why I bring this thing out here? I don't know who they watch me. I don't know which situation or condition you find yourself right now. Maybe you don't give up on life, self. Maybe you understand. Now why I bring this matter? So that you go no say God they work. and anything dey possible, your helper go still find you, locate you. If they fit find this girl inside dustbin, abeg sorry for the language, but I need pass this message. If they fit find her inside dustbin, this thing suppose tell you say they fit find you anywhere. They fit find you anywhere. So I bring her so that person no go lose hope. I no know who you be, I no know wetin they go through, but abeg no lose hope. Your helper go still find you, no how. You understand? Very, very important. Because una need help me share this video. Many people dey outside there where they don't give up in life safe. Very important. Because share them. We need save lives. It's very, very important. And this man, my brother, congratulations. Congratulations, because you have done, in fact, for this 2021, at least this one another good news. You have done something well, and I hope say this thing will teach our other fellow men, so that no, I'm not saying that make una go dey pick people as the spirit leads you, and it must not be somebody that is mad or somebody that is dirty. I just hope say this thing will teach our fellow men, not just men, the whole humanity, to treat people well, to be nice to people. Very, very important. Congratulations once again, my people. Na the matter be this. I beg, start to drop the congratulations again. Oh, start to drop for that side, and then you comment where you get drop and I go reply on as usual. Share this video so that everybody go know what thing they happen. You feel help one depressed so nobody lose. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring a matter from a camping polo versus Fela McCaffrey. No be smart, you know. This one they come from a camping polo. I don't know which mosquito bite this one as he wake up. Just come outside. They talk to Fela. According to that, they tell Fela say make Fela stop dey allow social media to make her go naked because medical attention, medical in husband. And she say she dey talk this thing no be because she hate am, no be because of any bad thing. Say she dey see she dey see Fela as im younger sister. So they give her advice, say make she change her lifestyle of dressing nude or semi-nude, because say now she don't marry and she get a pikin, so she supposed to be conscious of that fact. So I beg, I don't bring a people look on her side though, so that I no go to say now me don't add sugar and salt inside this matter. So join me, make we listen to a Polo.
Feladian, me obia mawo, me obia mawo, and sing a semi scene. Fella face na looking stressed.
Okay.
Or you cover because someone in makeups ni no man she but she was stressed out. Medical mama crack and one interview. She was stressed out. And in our day, we seem to be so special that if someone doesn't help us, we find it way to do it ourselves. We are kebi me we say go for video. No my bet na so me fella. Atari how shade wa worry na on worry impono. No kata on this say mama me me kasi ah. Fela uko was na tawo she split and kaba. Abeka wa. Yeah. We she split and kaba. Wakata on mama when you worry area. And the pressure be na wo ma ukunu ofie nti am say say you ma ukunu attention then. Eba ho. Iti me ka we ya and just say me hate fela. Me ka say ma she nti ma na mi aba no so say ah. Nyame sisa se wanyi si me se me manyi si no. Na me sisa pen kan nyame sisa kitwa kan no. Eh no kre. Mention the year. As I'm going to crab any baby say I me bro my worrying. Because Fela was not like that. Fela doesn't expose herself. And she wears things for us to still see her shape. Whatever she wears, you still see her shape.
Okay.
So
if that I didn't know say no in your view.
Oh, to me now the mommy. And mommy.
Because we're worried.
Because we're worried.
No asawo.
And wow.
Hey, this showbiz. Different colors, different characters, different height and size. This showbiz life. Hypocrites. Left, right, everywhere. People go just they come outside, they talk some kind of things. They forget their own. No? Remember, say when you they point one finger, the rest they come your own direction. Don't forget. See who they come outside, they talk. No, see who they give advice. Hi! Chineke. This girl just make me remember. In fact, she just take me back. You, my sister, you have made me bring the past into the future. I've been into the present. Polo, you. The queen of nudity herself. This one, this I bet put her. This one. If you dey look for new, I even dey surprise how come white people never call her make she come act all those their movies, those kind of movies wey dey do. Because this one, in fact, she get 1000% for nude. No try am. I even still dey find who I go give, like who go win this thing, because this one she don be queen for how many years now. Make person hold my hand, oh. Make person hold my hand before I give this girl one thing like that. They come outside. I want to advise. I'm seeing you as a younger sister. You don't know the younger sister where your mama born, so that you go advise her. Even the one where your mama even born, that is if you have. I don't really know about you, self. But if I thought you get, that was say you don't even feel advice her. Because she's even seeing your lifestyle. So which advice you won't give person? Even they talk about person, she's doing it for medical attention. Not be your husband. You don't go look for your own so that you go marry. You go sit down. They look for people affairs. Sit down, create topic, start a talk. I mean, medical don't call you say, hey, people look, I know they like the way my wife they dress, so talk to her for me. Medical send you message. I be person give you work do. Just open mouth, they talk. No think of how you go get married and train your pikin. You just dey poke nose inside people's marital affairs. How many of una even remember the Chineke, the picture where this mumu take with him pikin? All the name of birthday picture, birthday shoot, they stunt everywhere, they scatter social media. Abeg put the picture, make they see us. In fact, even before I talk, see am. Birthday shoot, oh. Now he say they go do it in pikin. See mama, where they carry pikin. No, because if I dey talk, I know they lie. I know what make tomorrow person come dey talk say I do overdo. No, na see am. See who they bring advice inside person where they married, they in husband house. Your own even worse, madam. Your own, in fact, is you are worse than the worstest. For you to even involve your pikin for this kind. No, which training you want give person, my sister? No, which training? Let's be sincere. Let's be frank here. If people they come outside, they talk about morals or lessons or home training or this one, I beg you supposed cover your face. You start waka comot, no even talk. Go and marry. Go and marry, my sister. Your mates are in their husband's house. Before you go do some kind of thing. No, this girl go just come outside. That's what the last time he come outside though. Nobody ask him. This girl just open my. And I can give my body to somebody now. Una know somebody now, Regina Daniel's former boyfriend. She say she fit give the guy for free. Say she no go even want any money. After that one, now so from one man to another man. Who be the last one? Bokum Banku. High end, I don't even know. See your life. But if they come outside, they give person advice. Just shut up. Shh, just shut up. No even talk again. And if you allow me come out again for your matter, you go see me. For this, you go so see me. Relax. My people, that's what it happen. Just like that. Make una not to say I dey support nudity, but I beg this girl don't reach to her to man in business and focus on her life. Very, very important. You understand? So anything where you guys talk, drop am for that comment section. Share this video so that everybody go know. Especially Ghana. Share am, make they know say now this thing they happen. And if you never subscribe, how you go to get matters like this? Very, very important. Just click on that bell. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story.